We get asked all the time if lash extensions ruin your natural lashes, and the truth is that no. If lash extensions are applied properly and removed properly, your lashes underneath stay exactly the same as they were before. Here you can see me applying the gel remover to the top and the bottom of the lashes, making sure to get it all over the bonds, but without getting it on the skin. I also like to apply saran wrap on top of this to cover them, and it holds the remover in place. I let that sit for 10 minutes before removing. Once removed, just gently tug on the lashes to see if they come off. If they don't come off, just reapply the remover and leave for another 10 minutes.